Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the advanced symbol registry, right? Today we'll be discussing about the advanced testing with Jest and Mocha. So Jest and Mocha are powerful testing frameworks for JavaScript supporting asynchronous tests, mocking and snapshot testing. So we are not writing any test for the particular JS component or something for the JS file. I'll just take a simple example or the snippet, like snippet kind of a thing. So I'll just be showing how to mock in Jest. I'll just show very simple example. Please do explore on the same topic more so that you will get the concept better, right? I'll just show how to mock the how is mocking done in the Jest, right? So I'll just go with a very simple example. So here I'll just give const fetch data equals, let me make use of jest.fn. Jest.fn is nothing but jest.function. This is used to create a mock function, right? So just give here mock result value of let's consider data here, right? So let's make use of the fetch data. This is function, right? Fetch data. Let me make use of then here let's consider data. Let me log something over here. So yeah, this is it. So we have to get the output data, right? So here we'll not get any output. This is just an example. This is just an example to show how to mock in the Jest. Basically, even if I try to run this one, we'll get the error, right? Basically, Jest is not defined. Just try making the US code or any IDE of your choice, and try to install the Jest and try to run the code. Try to run something. I mean, try to write something in the JavaScript code and try to explore more on Jest and try to this one, create a mock function and other stuff, right? You will understand this concept better. I just wanted to show you the very basic example of how to create the mock function and how to simulate a resolved promise, right? So here what is happening, basically, again I'm telling, just.fn, this one, what I have written here, this creates a mock function and mock resolved value, this one basically it simulates a resolved promise, right? So this is it for the basically this is it for the advanced testing with Jest and Mocha. Try to explore Mocha as well. It's quite easy, right? So I'll just end this topic with this example. Next, let's try to discuss on the JavaScript dynamic scoping, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.